Normally, TikTok be all around the world now. Any way for TikTok, if people like them, especially if Nigerians decide they don't like something what they do. All these platforms, you have more Nigerians. You have more Nigerians on Facebook. That's on the African continent. You have more Nigerians on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. More Nigerians. So if Nigerians decide say they want something, they won't jump on us. So Nigerians just jump on the Tshwala. In fact, go see some of, I guess some of my female friends, they go even to their house, set camera, they try to do the dance. They do the dance like, I like, which song? And so when they tell me, say you did town, I say, no, you need to come. Come and talk about the song. So who produced the song?
It's Tito Eminupi.
Tito Eminupi, a South African producer also. Okay.
They're also around.
Okay. Tshwala, one of the hottest songs on the continent of Africa right now. It's on social media. It's for TikTok. The song don't go viral. The dance they viral. If you go YouTube, you go see different kind of people don't do the dance. Some 500,000 views, 400,000 views, some 50,000 views. Different people just they carry the song for a head. You understand? The song hot, and because we be Naija FM, where they play Nigerian music mixed with music from the continent of Africa, we get to bring you that jam and also bring one of them enter studio. EQ may go and talk about the jam. EQ is here. I go speak English because EQ they understand my pidgin. So I'll ask a question with English when I just bear for now. All right, EQ. So first of all, Nigerians love this music. Nigerians are vibing to it on TikTok, doing different challenges, trying to learn the dance and all that. But what exactly are you guys saying? What's the meaning of Tshwala and all those things? Yes,
means my alcohol.
Oh, your alcohol. Yeah. So your alcohol is giving you ginger or giving you what's the alcohol doing?
So it's basically saying like alcohol alcohol is nice, but at the same time it can make you mess up, but it can make you have a great time.
Okay.
But at the same time it can ruin you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah. That's the message.
The message in the song basically. So where did that dance step come? The dance move come from?
No, it was just a TikTok thing. People from TikTok created
it.
Yeah, like there was this guys. They were dancing and then they just added the audio to it and just moved. You know what I'm saying?
So you know how to do the dance, the move, right?
I try.
And you teach me because I don't know how to do it. Okay, but right now, Amapiano is very big on the continent of Africa and you're taking it global. But we know that when you talk about African music, about Afrobeat is very massive. So, in terms of how big Afrobeat is and Amapiano, where Amapiano is now, how big would you say Amapiano is now?
It's very big. It's
as big as Afrobeat?
Yeah.
As big as Afrobeat? Yeah. But Afrobeat
but right now, it's even surpassing.
No,
I'm telling you.
Maybe it's close
coming.
to Afrobeat. It's not bigger than Afrobeat.
Not bigger, but it's coming.
It's coming. Okay,
it's
fine.
Gonna surpass it.
Okay.
With the rate that it's going, it's gonna surpass it.
Okay.
But I don't feel like Amapiano. I feel like Afrobeat and like Amapiano is the same thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just that the other one, the tempo is up, and the other one, the tempo
okay,
is slower. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's just African sounds.
It's good. I mean, and it's also good that on the African continent we have different kind of sounds people enjoy that they can export. You know, not just Afrobeat, just Amapiano. Any other person that come out with any kind of idea, as long as it's something generated from Africa, it's good. It makes all of us look good. You understand? So, but you're in Nigeria now, and you've done some collabos with some people. I know you've worked with Bella Shmurda and other. Can you just tell us people you've worked with in Nigeria now?
Okay, since I was here, I worked with Bella Shmurda, I worked with Crayon, I worked with Banton.
Wonder Banton.
Yeah, Wonder Banton. I worked with Mr. Sol. I worked with Bayani. Yeah, and some other few guys in studio that are just there. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you've done a lot of work with a lot of these guys. Why so many collaborations? You want to take everything now?
I don't want to take everything. I'm just here. What if you guys are milking me?
No, but you're the one. Okay, so you can look at it from the other angle. That Nigerians are milking you now that you are here.
Yeah.
Okay, like you said.
So, but it was great. Not even like that. Like it was great. I enjoyed working with the guys. They have good energy going on. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy their music. They enjoy my music. So we just collaborated. And the records are sounding crazy.
Yeah. So when would you drop the records? Or
I don't know. Some songs the guys are gonna drop.
Okay, they will drop some. You will drop. Some,
yeah,
okay,
definitely.
Okay, so are you guys looking at a project together, like an EP or an album together, or just singles? Singles. Okay.
I don't know if maybe they might maybe they have other plans. Maybe they wanna put on their projects.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe on their albums, but I don't know. Me in my mind, I'm just singing.
Okay, it's just singles. Yeah. Okay, so you say you're leaving Nigeria when tomorrow?
Yeah.
You are going to Dubai.
Yeah.
So you have another
Yeah.
event there and all that. Okay, so. Okay. So before I let you leave the studio, I want to say before I let you come on for studio. Pigeon is in my mouth. Okay, so I wanted to ask you. We heard of the guy that was killed recently, the sports guy in South Africa. Some years ago, they killed AKA.
Oh yeah.
No, this in South Africa. Somebody told me some people can own guns. You can get license to carry gun, right?
Yeah, they can.
What do you think about you think that's a good idea? Do you think the government should come with a legislation to ban guns?
Yeah, but at the same time, I feel like some people own guns, but they have anger issues. You can't own a gun when you don't know how to control yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you can't be a little bit mad and now you want to shoot people. I feel like some people know how to use a gun, and some people just have a gun because, I don't know. Maybe
so looking at it from that angle, knowing that there are people who have anger issues, some people who can look clean, get a license, and then tomorrow their madness starts.
Yeah.
And then, you don't think it would be a better idea if only the authorities own, maybe police and all this own guns, and then they should leave guns off the street so that this kind of killings will not happen. I mean, we saw the video of AKA that time. He just came out from the building and he just came out. You understand? In Nigeria, you can't own gun. If you can't, you can't own gun in Nigeria. If you need license, and of course if you're not in the military or whatever, you can't own. You can't own the gun if you're not in the police and all that. There are some individuals that one or two individuals, but the president has to give you permission. So you know the level you go to get license and clearance before you can own a gun.
It's a lot. It's not simple.
Yeah, because I feel like maybe because people can easily get guns in South Africa, that's why all these things. Somebody is angry, okay, let's go and kill that guy. In Nigeria, you can't do that. It's not easy to get guns like that. So maybe I should ask in South Africa how you guys feel. But relatively, it's safe.
Yeah, it's safe.
It's safe. Relatively.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's safe. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a gun?
No. I don't have a gun.
Why don't you have one?
Nah, I don't.
You don't need
it. I don't think I need it.
You don't think even for protection, right?
Yeah, I might obviously people that have guns, but I'm saying me personally, I don't have.
You don't have gun. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Before I let you leave, is there any Nigerian artist right now you've not worked with that you would like to work with if you have the opportunity?
Whiskey Dayo.
Whiskey Dayo. Okay. Now Iki said that Whiskey didn't go like work with if you get the opportunity, but Iki, we need to let you go. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
We expect some of those jams when they are ready.
Don't worry.
You send the jams.
I'll definitely be back when they drop. When Banton drops, when Bella drops, when Mr. Sol drops, I'll be back.
When I don't even ask him his own name, he don't get Yoruba name.
You get what do you mean Yoruba name? What's the name?
Yeah.
Liacho.
No, not
your Yoruba name.
You said what?
You gave me Ayo.
Ayo. Okay. Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.